Let us discuss the next question. This is from the year 2020. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The President of India can summon a session of the Parliament at such place as he thinks fit. Statement 2. The Constitution of India provides for 3 sessions of the Parliament, but it is not mandatory to conduct all 3 sessions. Statement 3. There is no minimum number of days that the Parliament is required to meet in a year. Which of the following statements are correct? Now, statement 1 says that the President of India can summon a session at such a place he or she thinks fit. So, this is correct. Statement 2 says the Constitution provides for at least 3 sessions of the Parliament in a year, but it is not mandatory to conduct all the 3 sessions. The Constitution does not provide for any number of sessions to be conducted in a particular year. The Constitution is silent on that aspect. So, this statement is incorrect. Statement 3. There is no minimum number of days that the Parliament is required to meet in a particular year. Yes, there is no restrictions on the minimum number of days that the Parliament has to meet in a particular year. So, this statement is correct. Which of the following statements are correct? 2 is incorrect. 1 and 3 is correct. So, the answer will be C, 1 and 3. This is how you would solve the question quickly in the exam. Now, let us look at the in-depth explanation. If you look at Article 85, it talks about the sessions of the Parliament, prorogation and dissolution. If you look at Clause 1, the Clause 1 clearly says that the President shall, from time to time, summon each house of the Parliament to meet at such time and such place as he or she thinks fit, but 6 months shall not intervene between the last sitting of one session and the date appointed for the first sitting in the next session. So the provisions clearly say that the President from time to time will summon the sessions of the House, and it will be meeting at such a time and place as the President will decide. So statement 1 is correct here. But at the same time, in the second half, there is a restriction that the gap between the 2 sessions, it should not be more than 6 months. So the implication of this is the House should meet at least 2 times in a year, because the gap should not be more than 6 months. So the implication is that the House should at least meet twice in a year, but at the same time the Constitution is not prescribing any minimum number of days for which the Parliament has to meet. And based on convention, based on the practice, based on the custom, the Parliament meets for 3 sessions in a year. That is the budget session, the monsoon session and the winter session. So coming back to the question, the answer is C, 1 and 3 only.